In this video, I will show you how to delete a TikTok account. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up the TikTok app on our phone. Once you do, go ahead and select your profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines that you see at the bottom of your screen and select Settings and Privacy. Then you're going to select Account, and right here at the bottom, you're going to have the option to deactivate or delete your account. So go ahead and tap right there. If you are sure that you wish to delete your account, go ahead and select the second option. Keep in mind that all your content and information is going to be permanently deleted. Here, TikTok is going to ask you why you want to delete your account. You can select one of these options, or you can simply tap on skip. And if you're sure you wish to delete your account, simply tap right here at the bottom and tap on continue. Even if you delete your account, you do have 30 days where you can go back and reactivate your account. So keep that in mind. But after 30 days, all your information will be completely gone. So once you're done, tap on continue. And now you simply have to verify your account in case you're using Google, or you can also add in your password. After you do that, simply tap on delete account, delete again, and that's it. Now your account has been officially deleted. I hope this video helped you.